Your coding agent might be wasting expensive OpenAI tokens just to do some simple formatting. Well, NVIDIA is here for us, and they have released their Switchyard tool, which can dynamically switch simple tasks to local models in just 0.2 milliseconds. Today I'm going to be downloading this in my own system and building a dashboard generator, which takes a simple one-liner prompt idea, refine it using a local LLM model, and then generate the final HTML dashboard using a much bigger cloud option. And all the switching will be dynamically handled by NVIDIA Switchyard. Welcome back to Build with AI series, where I cover local AI free tools and models and build practical AI projects with them. And today's focus is the Switchyard tool, which NVIDIA have just dropped on their GitHub page. Basically, this tool is a highly optimized proxy engine, specially designed for routing all of our AI requests. So instead of hard coding a single AI service, this library dynamically manages all the multi-provider traffic. And what makes this tool stand out immediately is its absolute raw speed, as the average overhead to route a single request is less than 0.2 milliseconds. So this practically guarantees zero bottleneck even when processing thousands of input token streams. And handling the code for different model APIs is usually a nightmare, but Switchyard natively handles 3 major data structures, so it can take any message format for OpenAI, Anthropic, or even the NVIDIA APIs. And for handling the different routing requests, it uses 4 different algorithms, which are written 100% in Rust language. So the Rust code handles the execution speed and also guarantees 100% memory safety, eliminating all the usual runtime crashes. So now let's install this tool into our own system. You need to just clone the entire repository of the Switchyard and then install the required Python dependencies for the current project. So I'm just going to copy both of these commands and paste them in the terminal. Now while these are installing, let us look at the architecture of this tool. So first we send the request to our coding agent client like Claude Code or Codex, and the protocol normalizer will then intercept this raw payload and standardize the incoming API format so the backend engine can easily understand it. And once the payload is perfectly standardized, we launch the routing engine, which contains smart evaluation logic looking at the exact complexity of our incoming prompt. And then it decides the specific pathway for each of the tasks and call the models in backend, which can be the cloud providers from NVIDIA or even the local servers from LLM or Ollama. So all the transformations are done on the fly with the protocol proxy, ensuring all of the formats for our input request is completely preserved, so the dispatcher tool can identify the intent of our request perfectly. And one of my favorite features is the built-in judge escalation system, which forces a weak tier model for the initial execution, and the secondary judge will step in to do the strict output evaluation. And in case the weak model fails, the proxy triggers the strong tier rerouting automatically. And there is also a dedicated endpoint where you can track all of your metrics like how much tokens you are burning and how many errors you are getting in different proxies. And you can easily embed this tool directly into your projects, as it operates with 0 HTTP socket connections, moving data directly within your system memory. Now all the tools are installed. I'll go over the main project logic in this main.py file, where I'm going to be giving it 2 different options. First is the local Ollama model, and second for complex tasks it can refer for the Google Gen AI models. And I'm specifying the local Ollama models as well that it has to take Llama 3.23b, and for Cloud Gemini it has to refer Gemini 3.5 Lite, which has generous daily limits for free usage. To use the Gemini model, you need to get your API key, so just go to aistudio.google.com/API keys and then just create an API key for this current project. But you don't have to pay any credits, as the model I'm using right now has daily free limits. And all the requests will be sent to the local Switchyard URL, so I don't have to specify the URLs for local Ollama or the Cloud Gemini servers. So the task one in our project is that it has to be assumed as an AI prompt engineer, and when I give a single line query, it has to refine and expand the user's input prompt into a detailed structure prompt for building my final professional dashboard. And then in task 2, it has to generate the final HTML code for the visual dashboard. So the input one-liner that I am giving right now is to build a dark mode NVIDIA green-black visual dashboard for the same tool that we are using here, which is NVIDIA Switchboard, showcasing all the LLM proxy features, the routing algorithms, and the performance metrics capabilities. So it has to run the whole pipeline and save the final output in this output subfolder, which will have our refined prompt from the first step and then the final generated dashboard from the second step. Now to launch the whole pipeline, first ensure that in the .env file you keep your Gemini API key and your preferred local Ollama model. Then you can just go to terminal and send python main.py command. Now while the model is generating the response, let us look at the benchmark numbers, where we are going to compare this tool against other rerouters like LiteLLM, OpenRouter, or even the VLLM native router. So if you check the latency or the generation times, this tool is able to achieve 14 times more speed compared to the other competitors, while using around 10th of the RAM usage in our system. And while these other tools give some limited providers, this can handle all OpenAI, Anthropic, or NVIDIA API endpoints. So it holds the number 1 rank in all the rerouters while doing the executions in sub-millisecond time and having almost zero memory overhead. So now I can check the outputs and I can see both the prompts and the dashboard already. So first we can look at the generated prompt from the local LLM model. So from that single one-liner, it has defined all the design rules, themes, and the key features and structures that I want in the final dashboard. And it has also defined all the color schemes and also the electric green accent that is there in the NVIDIA logo. So we didn't have to specify all these requirements as it automatically added all of them by itself. Next, I can check the dashboard as well. Let us open it in our Chrome browser. So you can see color schemes are actually matching the NVIDIA colors, and it has listed down all the features in different cards with routing speeds, AI formats, the different algorithm strategies, the memory safety, and the monitoring dashboard with real-time token and speed tracking. Then it has added the beginner guide as well, and also real-time server health, where it has added some dummy numbers, but I can see it is dynamically updating in the single file HTML. And then it has also given some interactive routing visualizer and different tabs for different algorithms that this tool uses. And we can also confirm which models were exactly called, as in the first stage I can see that the request is routed to local backend, and our local LLM model returned the refined prompt specifications, and it has also given a preview of the stage 1 prompt. And then in stage 2 it has called the cloud model of Gemini 3.5 Flashlight, and we have the message from the Switchyard router that it has escalated the request to the high capacity Gemini backend. And finally we have the stage 2 success that Visual HTML dashboard is saved to the HTML file. So the pipeline has given us both the prompt and dashboard outputs. So it is able to build me the full dashboard, but while deploying this in your deployment servers, just take note that project is technically a pre-alpha status, meaning changes can happen fast. So always inspect first your routing syntax before upgrading to the new version. And to prevent breaking your AI applications, they have also added a safety feature where you can perform a dry run validation and simulate your new server configuration with the production launch systems. So that was it for the full breakdown of NVIDIA Switchyard, which is finally making multi-model AI routing lightning fast, memory safe, and really cheap for local deployment. As usual, all the code files and readme file with step-by-step instruction on how you can set up the project will be available in GitHub link in description and pinned comments, so you can directly follow along and get started with the project easily. Let me know in comments if you want me to cover more AI tools and models, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates, and workflows.